Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix up your IT administrator has limited access to some areas, virus and threat protection page missing. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, guys, you can fix this type of error only one simple ways. So you can in the search box type PowerShell. Now open a PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. After opening the PowerShell, type sed space dash mp preference space s ui lockdown space 0. Press enter. After that, type a exit and click yes. And after doing this step, go to your virus and threat protections. Now your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.